Welcome to Magnolia Hill Homestead. There is growing concern among the homesteading community that the chicken feed produced has been affecting egg production. So today we're going to try making our own and see what we can do to make this situation a little better. So I have gathered a few items from my pantry, and I'm just going to try mixing some seeds and grains, legumes and barley. And what I'm going to do is just heat this up on the stove and let it soak for the type of beans that you're giving your chickens. They cannot eat them whole. So soaking them is good, and sprouting, but never give dry beans to your chickens. So it's very important to have at least 16% protein in your chicken feed. And when you're making it yourself, you really need to go by that percentage to make sure that they're getting the right nutrition. Now, with the rumors going around in the homestead community, I really don't trust the commercial feed anymore. So we're definitely going to find the right combination for our birds and just stick with homemade. This is how we normally store our commercial feed. I have my goat feed in here. It's just a trash barrel, and it keeps any bugs or critters out. But on this channel, I'm going to be we're going to be growing our own mealworms. And I'll just go ahead and take you guys on this journey because we're really new to all of this. So next, I'm going to be going over a list that I got off of the YouTube channel called Grid with Doug and Stacy. We absolutely love them, have learned so much from them, and this list includes everything you need to make your own feed at home and have all of their nutritional needs met. So our chickens stopped laying back in September, which is pretty normal. They go through a molt, and then when there's less light during the day, they will stop producing eggs. We don't give them artificial light, so that's pretty normal during the winter, but yet it usually only happens for a few months, and then they'll go back to laying. These are all the eggs that we've gotten since then. By the way, I bake all of my eggshells for just a couple minutes, and then I mash them up, and the chickens eat them for extra calcium. Okay, so now that the beans are soft, I'm going to let this cool and store it in a tight container, and we can feed from this for the next couple days.